Están autorizados a prestar asistencia en el manejo del equipaje. No acepte ofertas de ninguna persona desconocida.
There mommy goes. Hey mommy, see you soon.
As in Charlie.
Hartsfield Jackson, Atlanta.
Yeah, had man thing, you see me? Jano, we don't show no, we don't show no everything, but could work out. So, Jano star.
Airport. Please be reminded that smoking is not permitted in the passenger terminal building. Thank you for not smoking.
You're welcome.
Bienvenido al Aeropuerto Internacional Norman Manley. Por favor, recuerde que no se permite fumar en la terminal de pasajeros. Gracias por no fumar.
We're done? Alright. But that's still people, I don't want to show everything, I'm cool for showing everything, but see out on the place, you see me? Yeah, like I might, I jet blue that. Yeah, I'm big body, so yeah. I see the all your Jamaica sign there. Anyways, they are easy, but you see me? We're out here in Atlanta, people. You dig? Yeah. Alright, I'll continue the journey. Yeah, had man thing, you see me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Stop is for D. D as in David.
D. I'm on a moving train, guys.
Welcome aboard the plane train. Please hold on. This train is departing.
Yeah, I'm like, here. Not over here.
The next stop is for Sea Games. C as in Charlie.
Hartsfield Jackson, Atlanta International Airport, a gateway to the world, is taking a strong stance in the fight against human trafficking. If you see something suspicious, please call 911 to be connected to the proper authorities. Thank you for your part.
Yeah, what about bicycle in the place, yo? Look, like Christmas. I catch it. It's there. Wi-Fi on connect. Hey. Somebody there with a fire yard, it up. Like you have a long walk for go, bro. The sun up points like you can't go and now you go. Yo, catch it. Sound like you're a bird, nice view, get it. I'm not seeing a bird though, I just hear them. Make a step there, man. Whoosh move. That's everything tough.
Yes, adore you all of the time. I'd like to